Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of changing the base and coupling of your Thermomix TM31. This maintenance will ensure your device continues to perform at its best. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. It's recommended to work in a well-lit area to make the process easier. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is your top priority. Next, flip the device upside down. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the base plate. There are usually 4 screws located at each corner of the base. Place these screws in a safe location for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base plate off. If it resists, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it away. Be careful not to damage any components underneath. Inside, you may notice debris and residue that has built up over time. Use the soft cloth to clean the internal parts, ensuring a clean working environment. It's crucial to inspect for any worn-out components or dirt that may affect the efficiency of your Thermomix. Now let's focus on the coupling. If you notice that the coupling is damaged or worn, it's time for a replacement. To remove it, you will need to grip the coupling with your pliers and twist it gently until it loosens. If you aren't comfortable performing this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the old coupling is removed, carefully place the new coupling into its position. Make sure it fits snugly. If you don't have the tools required for this task, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, providing a convenient solution without the hassle of travel. After replacing the coupling, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Position the base plate back onto the device and ensure it aligns properly. Replace the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Tighten them adequately, but do not over-tighten, as this might damage the base. Once completed, turn your Thermomix back upright. Plug it into the power source to ensure everything is functioning as expected. It's a great practice to test your appliance before finalizing the maintenance. Finally, if any issues arise during your maintenance, or if you simply prefer professional assistance, we can provide a quote before repair. With our service, there are no calls and no travel hassles, allowing you to enjoy your cooking without worry. By following these steps, you'll have successfully changed the base and coupling of your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance helps prolong the life of your appliance and ensures optimal performance. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.